Hello and welcome to an episode of Trains App, and today we're at Wembley Stadium on the Chiltern Mainline. There goes the 1422 Chiltern Railways service to Aylesbury with one of the 165 units, but I couldn't tell you which number. So here you'll be seeing services purely by Chiltern Railways. Never been to this station before, but the architecture definitely looks good. You can see what they've done there with the archway for the bridge in relation to Wembley Stadium. Down there is a Chiltern Railways 168 Clubman, and there are a couple of silver sets. The one in the middle, that is running. I don't know if it's actually going to be coming out at all, but the engine is on, and it's got the slam door set with it. So whether or not it's actually going to go and slide into the main depot building, or if it's going to be coming out at some stage to work any particular services, I'm not too sure. So yes, let's see what shall turn up. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a Chiltern Railways 165 from Aylesbury to London Marylebone. (165.019). And the next train to pass by is a Chiltern Railways Clubman from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. (168.110). Okay, the next train to pass by is another Chiltern Railways Clubman from Oxford to London Marylebone. 168.005. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Chiltern Railways Clubman from London Marylebone to Oxford. 168.003. In fact, I tell a lie, it's actually off to Birmingham. They've done the old switcheroo on that one. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be a 165. Working a service from London Marylebone to Banbury. 165.039. So it looks like the Oxford train has been delayed somewhere. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 1455 Chiltern Railways service from Gerrards Cross to London Marylebone. It's 165.026. Okay, 165.026 is now departing with the 1455 Chiltern Railway service to London Marylebone. Okay, the next train to pass by is going to be another Chiltern Railways 168 from Birmingham Snow Hill to London Marylebone. Albeit very, very slowly. It's 168.111. Okay, the next train to arrive is the delayed 14:55 Chiltern Railways service to Gerrard's Cross. (165.019). Okay, 165.019 is now departing with the delayed 14:55 Chiltern Railways service to Gerrard's Cross. Okay, the next one to pass by is going to be another Chiltern Railways clubman from Oxford to London Marylebone. There we go. 168.112. I don't quite know why the camera went blurry there, but we got it sorted. And our final train of the day is going to be another Chiltern Railways 168, a pair of 168s bound for Oxford. (168.218) and 327. And as they continue onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you'd like to today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do go back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. So, Wembley Stadium. Well, obviously you've got the impressive structure there. Station-wise, yeah, it's not bad. Plenty of services coming through at a faster rate than I thought there would be. Pity that the 68s aren't running, but they're still there in all their splendour, so hopefully when I go to London Marylebone, hopefully there will at least be one. Yeah, that'll be my next and final station on the Chiltern Mainline. It's been a fantastic series. I've not done every single station on the line, but the ones I have been to have been absolutely brilliant. It's a fantastic line. So, until next time, from me here at Wembley Stadium, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.